Hello learners, greetings for the day. It is the end of day 2 and you must be observing now that when you're writing, your hand is paining, right? The pressure is there and your hand is paining. So now we'll be discussing on this point of time that how to reduce that pain, how to get relaxed, how to give practice of the pressure on the pen or pencil, whatever. So far we have learned that the holding position, the distance must be this one. I'll be holding by these 3 fingers. These 2 fingers will be in the support and the position of this finger will be at first. This will be a little back and this will be more back and this must be O, right? I know this thing, right? This is my way to hold the pencil. Now my hand is not comfortable with this and I make the undue pressure. And how to release the undue pressure? What to do it? Like I need to do what? I need to put pressure by these 2 fingers. This is to be free, right? So this is the first, this is second, this is third, right? This is the way to hold the pencil. This is at the first, this is second, this is third. And no pressure by this finger, only pressure by these 2 things, right? This is the way to hold the pencil, right? And this is like this, right? You know that? Got to know? Now let's see how to release the pressure. So see, what's the problem? Actually my brains give instructions, right? When my brain keeps on giving instructions, the problem begins. So I need to do what? I need to do so much practice that I should not need the instruction from the brain. It should start happening by unconscious brain. Right now my conscious brain is working and I need to work with the unconscious brain. At the time it starts working, my hand will not pain. Now see what to do, how to do it. I need to, by free hand, as easy as I can hold it, by very free hand, I'll be making this egg, right? And then I'll keep on circling it. I'll keep on over and over, over and over, over and over by free hand, as fast as possible by this free hand. I'll keep on doing this. I'll keep on doing this. I'll keep on doing this. Now see, if you see my all strokes are going over and over, right? Overlapping every. Why? Because I have practiced with this, right? When you will do it, how will you go now? You will go like this. We need to avoid it. Till the time we don't go like this only, we'll keep on working. We'll keep on working. Why I'm holding the pen wrong, pencil wrong distance? Why? Because I need to make the camera. You need to hold like this only, right? So this will tell you 2 things, right? What 2 things? 1, your hand movement, free hand movement. The rest things, when you're moving your pen, right? See, you're moving your pen. This point will be very difficult to come here. So how to move your hand with your pen, that it will teach you. Correct? Are you seeing? This. Second, again the same oval in this way. Now whenever you get free time, you just keep on doing this. Whenever you get free time, you just keep on doing this. Then right? Now suppose they are in unit 1 size. They are in size unit 1. So I need to double the size. What? I need to do 2x, right? And I need to rotate. As free as possible, as free as possible, as free as possible, as free as possible. Similarly here. As free as possible, as free as possible, as free as possible. As big as possible, as free as possible. As big as possible, as free as possible. So what is it doing? What is it doing? It's actually helping me to release my stress. That's the thing we need to do, right? So keep on doing every day for 5 minutes. Increase it to 10 minutes to 15 minutes, whatever time you get free. If you do it 5 to 15 minutes for back to back for 1 month, you'll be seeing magical changes, right? And What is the course for? Course is just to know the techniques and to keep following. We have already known that practice does not make a man perfect. The right practice, the perfect practice makes a man perfect, right? So this is the practice which you need to do every day. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.